emulators, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let me just turn this stuff on. Hello there, guys. So today's video will teach you how to get DuckStation Emulator for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, guys, we have a fully working emulator. We can play all of our favorite PlayStation 1 games, including Final Fantasy, Metal Gear Solid, and Resident Evil. So as you can see, guys, the game is launching. I'm obviously not going to launch it today, but this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. So let's get into the tutorial. So first step, I just want you on the website tweakmod.com, and now go to the search bar and type in DuckStation, and then just press the install button. And then before it downloads, there's going to be verification. So this is pretty easy, honestly. It's like for normal people. You don't gotta be advanced for this. So yeah, let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, so yeah, it's loading up right now. So yeah, I don't really do videos like this, but TweakMod is such a weird website with so many crazy mods. I had to share it with you guys because I know you're all looking for mods like me. So as you can see, it's loading right now, so we'll just give it a second. And now it's going to say missing files, so we just need to download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island, it says reach level 11. Then free cell classic card game, search it up. Then we got, scanner app, gotta find the one by Moonicorn. So I'll see you later, but that's how to get DuckStation Emulator for your phone, guys, so you can play all these PlayStation 1 games for free. So yeah, it's really cool. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe if you like this kind of content because it's really awesome. So try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. And peace out, brothers. This is so cool.